For the bank, supporting regional cooperation and integration is part of our founding charter, and we firmly believe that efforts to promote interregional trade will unlock growth for our region, sustainable and inclusive growth. To that end, we have devoted quite a bit of attention in the last 4 years to supporting initiatives that create a more enabling environment for trade. And obviously, trade facilitation is fundamental to that. So we have approved funding to the Caribbean Regional Organization for Standards and Quality to look at how we improve our regional quality infrastructure. This will go some way to reducing the technical barriers to trade. And in the coming months, we'll be looking more at trade facilitation and how we can support our members in implementing the trade facilitation agreement of the WTO. Last year, we actually co-sponsored with the Islamic Development Bank the first workshop that was held on trade facilitation. And we do commend the CARICOM Secretariat for the regional approach that they're taking with respect to implementing the trade facilitation agreement, because this is not something that countries really can implement on their own. And that regional approach, I think, will go some way to advancing implementation and for members to really unlock the benefits that come from making it easier for businesses to trade and do business in the region.